In 2016, NSK launched its ProKIT range at the Automechanika Frankfurt fair. In the past 2 years, we've been very successful with new partners in Middle East, Africa, and the European market. This year at the Automechanika show, we have expanded the product range and the coverage for the NSK ProKIT. The same ProKIT with 100% OEM bearings and high quality components is now available for a wider range of vehicles. And therefore, at this year's show, we're promoting the wider coverage of the NSK ProKIT range. For over 100 years, NSK has been designing and producing high-quality bearings for the world's leading companies. In recent times, NSK has now approached the Independent Automotive Aftermarket to bring the same high quality to a wider customer base. At this year's Automechanika exhibition, we are proud to introduce our partnership with Ghidorah Tools. By using the Ghidorah tools, we hope to make our customers faster, safer, and more reliable in the fitting of the NSK ProKIT.